Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to receive notifications from us. Now let's start. Today in chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers, I am going to explain conversions from one unit to another unit. So let us see this. So meter is a unit of length, kilogram is a unit of weight, liter is a unit of volume, and seconds is a unit of time. So where we use meter, so for to measure a cloth we will use meters. Next, where we use kilometers, distance between from one city to another city. So long distances we use kilometer. Short distance means centimeters. That means length of a book, length of a pencil, length of a pen. So those we are going to measure in centimeters. So kilograms where we use, for heavy weights we will use kilograms. For less weight we will use grams and milligrams. Next, liter. To measure liquids we will use liters. Just kerosene, petrol, water, all these we are used to measure in liters. Milliliters also. Next, seconds. So second is the least unit while measuring the time. So seconds after what we use, minutes, hours, etc. So meter, centimeter, kilometer. So all these will be having relation with one another. So today I am going to explain that how to convert from highest unit to lowest unit or lowest unit to highest unit. So first see here, 1 centimeter equals to how much? 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. 1 meter means how much? 100 centimeters. Next, 1 kilometer, that means 1000 meters. Next, see here, 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram means 1000 grams. Next, 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. Then 1000 liters means how much? 1 kiloliter. So like this, if you want to convert from one unit to another unit, now I am going to explain. Let us see. We shall see now conversion from kilograms to milligrams. See this: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. So kilogram is the highest unit and milligram is the lowest unit. Whenever we are converting from highest unit to lowest unit, each place will be multiplied by 10. When we are converting from lowest unit to highest unit, each place will be divided by 10. So this we need to keep it in our mind. So kilo means how much? 1000. Hecto means 100. Deca means 10. Gram means 1. Decigram means 1 by 10. Centigram 1 by 100. Milligram is 1 by 1000. See now, 1 kilogram equals to how many milligram? See here, kilogram to milligram, how many places were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each place we have to multiply by 10. So 10 tens, 100, 110, 1000, 1010, 10,000, 10,000 tens, 1 lakh, 1 lakh tens, 10 lakh. So what we have to do? So 1 kilogram equals to 10 lakh milligram. So if you feel difficult means simply we can write how it is means count number of places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we have to do, write 1, then after write down 6 zeros. So that is our answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 after 6 zeros you put, separate them by commas. So 1 kilogram equals to 10 lakh milligram. See now 1 hectogram equals to how many grams? See here, hectogram after how many places here? 1, 2. So write down 1 after 2 zeros. So the answer is 100 grams. Now 1 decagram equals to how many decigram? See here, decagram to decigram, how many places? 1, 2. So what we have to write? 1 after 2 zeros. So the answer is 100. 1 decagram equals to 100 decigram. Now see here, 1 kilogram equals to how many centigrams? So count how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down 1 after 5 zeros. That means 1 lakh centigram. So what we have done here? from highest to lowest units while we are converting, we need to multiply each place by 10. So kilogram to centigram, 5 places, no? 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000, 1000 into 10, 10,000, 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. So 1 kilogram equals to 1 lakh centigram. Now let us see how to convert from lowest unit to highest unit. See now, 1 milligram equals to how many grams? Now we are converting from lowest unit to highest unit. Here what we have to do? So each place you have to divide by 10. So let us see how many places were there from milligram to gram. 1, 2, 3. So 3 places. 10 tens, 100, 100 tens, 1000. So we need to divide, no? So the value is 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 grams. That means 0.001 grams. See the next one. 1 centigram equals to how many decagrams? See here how many places from centigram to decagram? 1, 2, 3. That means 3 places means 1000. So here also the answer is 1 by 1000 decagram. So 1 centigram equals to 1 by 1000 decagram. Check next. 1 decigram to how many hectograms? So check how many places? 1, 2, 3. So 3 places. So what you will write now? 1 by 1000 hectogram. So 1 decigram equals to 1 by 1000 hectogram. See now 1 gram equals to how many kilograms? How many places here? 1, 2, 3. 3 places. That means 1 by 1000 kilogram. Similarly, you can check 1 centigram equals to how many kilograms? Count the places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1 by 1 lakh kilogram. So in this way, we can convert any units from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. See now, similarly, kilogram to milligram, how we convert? Here also we can do kiloliter to milliliter, kilometer to millimeter also. We can convert them in same way. So let us see here. Kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Here kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So here from highest to your lowest units, what we have to do? Multiply each place by 10. Now lowest to highest value, what we have to do? Each place will be divided by 10. Similarly, this one also. Each place multiply by 10 from highest to lowest. From lowest to highest, each value is divided by 10. Now let us see, we all know 1 kilometer equals to how many meters? Let us check here. How many places? 1, 2, 3. So 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So 1 kilometer means how many meters? We all know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Check here. 1 kiloliter equals to how many liters? Check places. 1, 2, 3. So 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liters. Now check 1 liter equals to how many milliliters? See the places. 1, 2, 3. So 10 tens 100, 100 tens 1000. So 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So these are daily we are using units only. These all are 1 kilometer, 1000 meters. Next, once let us check 1 meter equals to how many centimeters? Meter after how many places? 2 places. So 10 tens are 100. So we know the value 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? Check centimeter after only 1 is there. So multiply by 10. So we all know that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So if you remember these kilo to milligram or kiloliter to milliliter, kilometer to millimeter. These units, if you know clearly, any conversions we can do it very easily. See now, page number 11. Try this. Third sum. A box contains 1 lakh tablets, each weighing 20 milligram. So, there is a box containing 1 lakh tablets and each tablet weight is 20 milligrams. Now, what is the question? What is the weight of all the tablets in the box in both grams and kilograms? What we have to do in this sum is, a box is containing 1 lakh tablets. Each tablet weight is 20 milligrams. So, what is the total weight of the box? Then after we have to convert the value into grams and kilograms. So, come to the solution. Weight of one tablet how much? That is 20 milligram. So what is the weight of 1 lakh tablets? What we have to do? Multiply them. 1 lakh into 20 milligram. So 1 lakh into 20 milligram how much? 20 lakh milligram. Now what they ask us to do? Convert this into grams. That means milligrams to grams we need to convert. Lowest value to highest value. So what we need to do? Divide each value by 10. So how many places here? 1, 2, 3. 10 tens 100, 100 tens 1000. So we need to convert this to grams, means this value 20 lakhs must be divided by 1000. So it will be converted into grams. So now cancel 3 zeros, 3 zeros. How much? So we get the answer 2000 grams. So what is the weight of 1 lakh tablets now? So 20 lakh milligrams. Now this value converted into grams, what value we got here? 2000 grams. Now they also ask us to convert grams to kilograms. Now let us convert this 2000 grams. So 2000 divided by, so check here, grams to kilograms. Here also lowest to highest value we are going to divide. How many places were there between grams to kilograms? 1, 2, 3. 10 tens 100, 100 tens 1000. So lowest to highest value, what we need to do? Divide. So 2000 divided by 1000. This value will be converted into kilograms. Cancel zeros. So what is the answer? 2 kilograms. See now, overall what we got answer here? 1 lakh tablets in milligrams, that is 20 lakh milligram. Now this milligram when we convert into grams we got 2000 grams. Again this grams we convert into kilograms, we got 2 kilograms. Overall the weight of 1 lakh tablets is 2 kilograms. See the next one, fourth question. A petrol tanker contains 20,000 liters of petrol. Express the quantity of petrol in kiloliters and milliliters. So what we have to do, there is a petrol tanker, it contains 20,000 liters of petrol. Now liters, 20,000 liters we need to convert into kiloliters and milliliters. Now let us see the solution. Quantity of petrol in a petrol tanker in liters. How much they have given? 20,000 liters. Now what we have to do? Convert these liters into kiloliters. See here, already we discussed in the conversions. So liters to kiloliters. Lowest to highest. What we have to do? Each place we need to divide by 10. So convert how many places there here? 1, 2, 3. So 10 tens 100, 100 tens 1000. So 20,000 liters must be divided by 1000 to get the value in kiloliters. So cancel 3 zeros, 3 zeros. So the answer is 20 kiloliters. 20,000 liters converted into kiloliters, we get the answer 20 kiloliters. Now what they ask us to do? This value we must also convert into milliliters. So that equals to 20 into kiloliters to milliliters. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from here to here, highest to lowest we are converting. So its value must be multiplied by 10. So 6 places, that means 10 lakhs. 20 into 10 lakhs milliliter. So 20 into 10 lakhs. What will be the answer? Liter, we get the answer 2 crore milliliter. So in this video what we learned? We learned here conversions from kilogram to milligram, kiloliter to milliliter, kilometer to millimeter. How to convert? So from highest to lowest value or lowest unit to highest unit we converted, and we also try these examples. In the next video we are going to see next exercise. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.